Morning. We are prepping for our next adventure. Let's start with some food. As you can tell, we've prepped an abundance of food. There's 4 of us on this next trip. It's a little more than Luke and I would normally plan. Oh, I guess I should grab some ice for this to keep it actually cool, hey? Yeah, let's do that. Food is ready to go. A very full cooler this weekend. We'll bring you along for our delicious camp meals. We are going to hit the road. We're dropping off Luna at the dog sitter because she's not coming with us, poor baby. And we'll show you why very soon. We are heading to Calgary. We're going to grab lunch and then to the mountains. Remember when I said that there was 4 of us for this trip? Say hello. Sarah, Beatrice. You might have remembered them from the last camping video in August, where Beatrice is from Singapore and had her very first tent camping experience. And Sarah is just a guest feature who lives here. just a guest, but equally loved. We are not actually taking the truck on this trip. We are about to pick up a camper van. Woo! So, can't wait. We will bring you along for this weekend. Hopefully all is smooth. We'll be staying in Banff and it's going to be so fun. Van life, woohoo! Time to go swap everything over. We are getting everything transferred from the truck into the van. We are actually so packed in there. Surprisingly, we didn't think we brought that much, but this is one of those like double bunk bed style. So our like garage space is a little bit more limited. We got everything packed up pretty quickly, pretty much threw it all on the bed because we had to hit the road. We had a date with a very cute friend, or maybe I should say friends. We are taking you guys along at the Yamnuska Wolf Dog Sanctuary. It is so cool. They pretty much provide like this rescue space for wolf dogs. Some of them were owner surrenders. Some of them I think they were given, and they're just providing a home for these like awesome wolf dogs. They have these closed off like enclosures in different areas. So certain packs stick together, certain ones that are like siblings or that they grew up together. There's 3 different options for tours that you can do here. The sanctuary walk literally gives you just the walking path and you get to view from the other side of the fence. The intro tour, which is what we did, gives you a direct access onto this platform with like no glass or fence. You can look into and see some of the wolf dogs a little bit closer, and they feed them treats. And then there's an interactive tour that's a little bit more expensive that you can go into an enclosure and like pet them and I think feed them treats directly. I don't know. But yeah, this place is awesome and very informative. They clearly love the dogs here and just want to give them a good home. This is Aspen and Grizz. They are 2 siblings, 2 boys, just under 10 years old. This is a completely non-profit sanctuary located in Cochrane, which is outside of Calgary. They take in these wolf dogs that have been neglected, abandoned, or surrendered to give them this amazing home. They have 160 acres of land and over 55 permanent wolf dogs living here. The fees for the tours go towards supporting the dogs and getting resources for them, like food and enrichment activities. They also have a cute little gift shop on site if you want to grab a souvenir for the road, like stickers, stuffed animals, or a sweater. We'll leave a link below if you want to get more information or actually make a donation to these fluffy friends. It is already so dark, so I can't give you guys a really good view of the van, but we are set up at the campsite. We are trying to get a little fire started. Unfortunately, it was raining on the way here, so the wood is pretty damp, and Luke is being tested once again with his fire skills. We've got water boiling to get some tea. It's a little chilly tonight. There's snow on the ground. It is November. We expect it. But yeah, I can't really see any mountain views right now. Cannot wait to show you guys in the morning though. And It's going to be so beautiful. Should we do a sneak peek into the van?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Again, this is the 4-person van. We've got the 2 seats at the front, a little 2-seater here. And there it is, our 2 queen beds. Zoom out a little bit. Small little kitchen space. We've already made this the snack cupboard. Lots of goods up there. So it's definitely snug. If you've watched our previous van video back in April when we went down to Vancouver, Luke and I did the 2-person van. So it's a little bit different. This obviously looks very lived in already because we literally put the beds together and threw all of our stuff in there. You can just barely see our cooler sneaking through that we can pull through from the back garage area. I will give a better tour tomorrow morning in some daylight. For now, we're going to sit around the fire that will hopefully be started soon and probably eat some tacos.
Smells so good though.
Adobo chicken tacos for dinner.
So delicious.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does.
Yummy.
Car.
We actually cooked everything at home ahead of time and prepped all the ingredients, so it was just easy to warm up and assemble once we got to camp.
Yes.
How's that taco, Sarah?
It looks so good.
Can you demonstrate how you're going to fold that up nicely?
So, it's not exactly a practical taco, but they come in all shapes and sizes. We don't make fun of her.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't. I do.
We would just all like to watch you try and eat that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Oh, get it, girl.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, looks good.
Okay, you actually didn't lose too much.
Practical taco, what?
Okay, all right. Let me see. That looks so good. I take it back and I apologize.
Okay.
That was a normal amount of taco meat.
I don't take it back. That's
Well,
impressive, though.
It was an intense amount.
Yeah, that's impressive. Good job.
We are making our hiking lunch sandwiches for tomorrow. Can you tell we're a little cozy in here? We've got stations. So we've got hummus and bread, and Luke is on meats. Of course he is.
Of course.
And then we've got our veggie station over here. Miss B. Ooh, nice work. And we end off with a Sarah wrapping. Hopefully all 4 sandwiches.
Lay down a beat.
We forgot to bring any extra saran wrap, so we're gonna try and get 4 sandwiches into 1 saran wrap that we had from the sourdough. Shout out Dobro for making us fresh sourdough.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, let's get it done. Stay tuned for part 2 of this trip, where we get to enjoy our summit sandwiches in front of some beautiful views and a grueling hike to get there. Drop us a comment below if you have any questions about the van, and don't forget to hit subscribe. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.